Hi guys, welcome back again. Let's start and continue with the topic of life processes which we were doing in class 10th biology. Okay, so till now what have we studied? We have studied as in how the food enters, how it oxidizes in the stomach, then what was the use of the word large intestine, small intestine, then it is being excreted through anus. What are we going to read today or study today? We are going to study about the word respiration. Now, when I am talking about the word respiration, then you should be saying, sir, common sense. It's very simple. When you are saying about the word respiration, that simply means, sir, you are breathing in oxygen and you are leaving carbon dioxide. First myth, absolutely wrong. You are not breathing in oxygen, you are breathing in air. हाँ तो सर एयर और ऑक्सीजन सेम ही तो होता है एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग अगेन माइथ नंबर 2 एयर एंड ऑक्सीजन इज नॉट सेम ऑक्सीजन इज जस्ट वन ऑफ द component in air. So when you are talking about the word oxygen, it's a gas which is present in air, and you or me or all of us are not breathing in oxygen. What are we breathing? We are breathing in air. Now let's talk about the current scenario. आजकल के सिनेरियो में आपने देखा होगा सुना होगा इस बात को that COVID-19 चल रहा है. Okay. So as I told you yesterday that I don't believe into this theory, but of course you have to believe because that's what you guys are listening now. So when I'm saying that this particular scenario of COVID-19 is going, then you must have heard about this word known as ventilators. सुना है? सुना ही होगा. Ventilators. Now what does these ventilators do? They ventilate. Vents, openings, ventilator जो opening से air को बाहर भेजेगा और अंदर लाएगा. Now technically when you are talking about these ventilators, then of course वहाँ पर कुछ oxygen cylinders भी होंगे. But sir, then why on earth are people giving oxygen gas through these ventilators? Because issue is that as I told you that each and every organ in your body is going to perform some work. True. When they are performing some work, that means some energy needs to be utilized. अभी आप एयर ले रहे हो और उसके अंदर से ऑक्सीजन डिफ्यूज हो जाती है अंदर, which we are going to study right now. बट यदि आपने प्योर ऑक्सीजन ही सप्लाई करना चालू कर दिया अंदर, सो दैट सिंपली मीन्स व्हाट? दैट सिंपली मीन्स दैट आपकी बॉडी को कम एफर्ट करने की जरूरत पड़ती है. सिंपल. एंड दैट्स द रीजन व्हाई वेंटिलेटर्स आर यूजफुल. सो वेंटिलेटर्स नॉर्मल लोगों के लिए नहीं होते हैं, बट जो डिजीज या जो सिक पीपल होते हैं जिनको ब्रीदिंग के अंदर इश्यूज हो रहे हैं, ऑफ कोर्स, राइट, एंड उनके लिए दिस इज द बोन, दिस इज द मेजर एडवांटेज. ओके, नाउ let's talk about the word respiration. So what do you mean by the word respiration? The exchange of gases done by human beings so that they can oxidize their food and can get energy is known as respiration. So respiration is a redox reaction. Redox nahi, redox. What is this redox? That means it is reduction and oxidation as well. Now let's see. Which is the first part through which you can think about breathing? Mouth, hands, common sense. It'll be nose, nostrils. अब सर उसमें क्या सीखना है सर? क्यों इतना बोल मार रहे हो? जल्दी जल्दी खत्म करो. नो, nostrils, larynx and pharynx and trachea and lungs and alveolus and no, that's not that simple. Nostrils are, by the way, those organs through which the air actually goes inside. So air will enter the nasal cavity. आपने यदि कभी कोई स्केलेटन देखा हो तो ध्यान रखना दैट इस पर्टिकुलर जगह पर एक सॉकेट होता है, एक खाली एरिया होता है. सो दैट इज दैट नेजल कैविटी. सो द एयर विल एंटर थ्रू दिस नेजल कैविटी. नाउ जितना सिंपल आपको लग रहा है उतना सिंपल इसलिए भी नहीं है. व्हाई? बिकॉज देन आफ्टर द एयर एंटर्स इनसाइड देयर आर दी स्मॉल हेयर व्हिच इज इनसाइड द नोज, वेरी डर्टी. But they are solving a very useful purpose. What is that? They are actually, acting as a natural filter, and this filter is going to remove all the debris rise inside the nose itself. तो वो cleanliness के काम में आते हैं. तो जो भी एयर जाती है वो डायरेक्टली अंदर नहीं जाती, वो यहाँ से फिल्टर हो जाती है. राइट? Air enters the nasal cavity and then it is filtered by the fine hair which are surrounding the walls of this. उसी के बाद में आजू बाजू के अंदर नोज के अंदर एक लिक्विडिश सा एक मटेरियल होता है, एक लिक्विड मटेरियल होता है. जब हम बोलते हैं जब किसी को कोल्ड एंड कफ हो जाता है तो म्यूकस बह रहा होता है, वो रुमाल से वाइप करते रहता है. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट लिक्विड. ना आप बोलोगे सर वो लिक्विड तो कितना गंदा है. ऑफ कोर्स यस, वो लिक्विड गंदा है, बट अगेन दैट्स a safety, a security measure. Along with that, what it does, आप हवा कहीं की भी ले रहे होगे, वो म्यूकस उस हवा को moist and गर्म कर देगा. गर्म मतलब जो अंदर का टेम्परेचर होता है. That simply means what? That means that within your this nostril there are these three mechanisms which are working. First of all, air is being pumped inside. Now since बाहर का प्रेशर by the way क्या होगा? ज़्यादा, and अंदर का प्रेशर क्या होगा? और भी ज़्यादा. Why? Because आपके पैसेज काफ़ी पतले होते हैं. Now in that particular condition, what is going to happen? So the air you are going to breathe. Now how are you going to breathe? That's by the way the word what? Lungs. And lungs को कंट्रोल कौन कर रहा है? डायफ्राग्राम. डायफ्राग्राम कहाँ पर होता है? लिवर के ऊपर. याद करो, कल बताया था. Now, so this particular air when it goes inside, it is being pumped inside. Then after that there are these small hair projections which are going to filter out these debris or the dirt or whatever particles they are. The third and the last point would be that there is this mucus which is surrounding your walls, and this is going to get connected with your or going to make your the air much more warmer. जब एयर अंदर ऑलरेडी पहले से ही गर्म हो जाते हैं तो अंदर जाके उतना टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस नहीं होता. Got it? That is being done by mucus. Mucus also helps in killing n number of bacteria and pathogens right over there when you are breathing in. Because how do you know that the air which you are breathing is 100% pure? And that's what these guys are doing, right? Now think about once again what the COVID-19 thing is. Why they are saying you to wear masks. Though I don't completely agree with the kind of methodology these guys are using, but still, I'll tell you someday at the end why I don't believe into this and why I am not wearing a mask, though I should. Anyway, either way, first of all, nobody is in this room because I'm talking to myself. I mean, I'm talking to this phone right now. So, I'm talking about the word. When you are being asked to wear that mask, ideally that mask should be absolutely new and completely hygienic. जब ये मास्क आपने पहना तो उसके पोर्स इतने छोटे 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 होते हैं that technically any kind of dirt, dust, microbes actually do what? They filter it out. Now remember the word N95. So 95 is nothing else but is either the percentage through which this particular part can be cleaned up, or by the way the mesh size. Anyway, we are not interested into that. So remember कि जब भी आप ये मास्क लगाते हो तो टेक्निकली यू आर फिल्टरिंग आउट, यू आर ऑलरेडी प्री फिल्टरिंग द एयर विच कैन ऑलरेडी बी फिल्टर्ड इनसाइड योर नोज, विच इज गुड. व्हाट इज नॉट गुड इज व्हाट डू यू डू विद दैट मास्क. सर हम उसको वॉश करते हैं, कितने दिनों के बाद में वॉश करते हो? सर 3-4 दिनों के बाद में. दैट मीन्स यू आर अगेन एंड अगेन वेयरिंग द सेम मास्क ऑल टुगेदर विच इज बीइंग ऑलरेडी कंटामिनेटेड आउटसाइड. Ideally, what should have been done is when you are wearing that mask, as soon as you come, there should be a dustbin outside your door. You should immediately throw that particular thing, keep it covered, and then go inside and wash your hands. But do you really think you guys have been doing so? I don't think so. Why? Because normally what I have seen, as in the normal Indian philosophy, what they do is they'll wear a mask, which is good, thumbs up for that. But then what are they going to do? They are going to come inside their house. They're going to first of all keep that mask on the table. Think about it. When you are keeping that mask on the table, you are already contaminating the table itself. You have already brought n number of pathogens right in your house. And then you are saying, sir, हमने 2 दिन के बाद में उसको wash किया था. 2 दिन? Guys, so you are breathing in again and again the same thing. It's going to create problem. That's what the thing is. That's the reason why I don't firmly believe the way it is being handled. I don't agree with that, but that's only my perception. Anyway, so this is all about nostrils. Now after nostrils, there is this area, okay, and which is known as pharynx. So then the cleaned air and the warm air passes through pharynx. Pharynx पहले पड़ता है, and then comes the larynx, which is what? The Adam's apple, the voice box. Larynx. Okay. So pharynx and larynx, सबसे पहले air pass होगा nostril से, then pharynx से, then larynx से pass होगा. Then comes the word trachea. Now what is this term trachea? Trachea is that particular tube altogether which goes all together till lungs. So that will be trachea. Now trachea, from larynx to trachea, ये जो ट्यूब होती है इसको होल्ड कौन कर रहा होता है, पकड़ कौन रहा होता है? So there are these C-shaped cartilages that prevents the collapse of trachea. See, trachea is a kind of tube, but लेकिन इस ट्यूब के लिए कुछ चीज़ें होल्ड भी तो करना चाहिए ऊपर से और नीचे से, अदरवाइज ये ट्यूब तो नीचे ही फॉल कर जाएगा. एंड इससे बचने के लिए देयर आर दी C-shaped, ऐसे हुक्स टाइप के होते हैं जो आपके बॉडी के अंदर, गले के अंदर ऐसे ऐसे करके ऐसे हुक लगे होते हैं, लाइक दिस. एंड दीज आर सपोर्टिंग योर trachea, अदरवाइज द trachea would collapse. Okay, now I'm sorry. Then comes the word lung. Suppose then this air goes from trachea, then it passes right from the part of trachea and goes in the lungs. What are the lungs? The lungs are the main what? Pumping organs, which compresses and then again inflates, and then again deflates, and then again inflates, then deflates and inflates, and so on and so forth. Trachea enters into the lungs and then further divides into how many lungs are there? There are 5 lungs. Sorry, there are 6 lungs. How many lungs are there? Guys, I'm so sorry. I actually forgot to rectify this stuff. Can you please comment at how many lungs are there? In humans, right? Forget it, that's a much more simpler question. So guys, there are 2 lungs, you know, on the left and the right. Now here. So lungs, trachea enters into the lungs, then further divides into bronchi. अब जब ये एयर आपके लंग्स में जाएगा, देन इट विल, यहाँ पर ऐसे वो पैसेजेस टाइप के होते हैं 2, जिससे अलग अलग लंग में जा रहा होगा, एंड दैट विल बी नोन एज ट्रैकी. आई एम सॉरी, दैट विल बी नोन एज ब्रोंकाई. ओके, ब्रोंकाई एंड देन इनटू ब्रोंकायोल्स. और उसके बाद में इसी सो कॉल्ड ब्रांच के सब ब्रांचेस होना चालू हो जाते हैं, विच इज नोन एज ब्रोंकायोल्स. मतलब फाइन, जैसे आपका ट्री होता है तो ट्री के अंदर एक मेन स्टेम, देन 2 ब्रांचेस, दिस विल बी व्हाट? एलिवोलाई. Then they are going to what? End up into what? Bronchioles. Okay. So that is from the bronchioles. Each bronchioles terminates into a sac called alveolar sac or alveolus. अब जिस जगह पर ये जो आपका ब्रांच है, ये ब्रांच एक एक जगह पर जाकर के एंड हो जाता है. जिस जगह पर ये एंड हो जाता है वहां पर छोटे छोटे बलून्स टाइप के लगे हुए होते हैं, which is known as what? Alveolar sac. sac का मतलब बैग होता है. So it is alveolus और alveolar bag, और alveolus भी बोलते हैं उसको. So that means that when the air passes from the trachea, it will enter into the lungs. Lungs would be separated by what? The bronchiole or the bronchi, and then this particular bronchi will be subdivided into branches, which is known as the bronchioles. Each bronchiole is going to end up into a small bag, जिसको हम लोग sac बोलते हैं, and which is known as what? That is known as alveolar sac. This alveolar sac or the alveolar, or this is also known as alveolus. Okay. So ये छोटे छोटे bulbs टाइप के होते हैं जो continuously, right, like this, alveolus. From alveoli, oxygen diffuses into the blood, and from the body, that is carbon dioxide, diffuses into alveoli. अब होता क्या है मैकेनिज्म? आपने अंदर क्या लिया था? एयर या ऑक्सीजन? एयर. अब जब ये एयर आपका अंदर के तरफ में गया तो उस पर्टिकुलर पार्ट पे जाने के बाद में जब ये पहुंचा कहाँ पर? एल्वियोलर सैक, और विच इज नोन एज एल्वियोलस पे. इस एल्वियोलस पे डिफ्यूजन होना चालू हो जाएगा. आपके ब्लड के अंदर देयर इज दिस कंपाउंड विच इज नोन एज हेमियोग्लोबिन. रिमेंबर दोज पर्टिकुलर कॉर्पस्कल्स. Now those have got this iron pigment, and these iron pigment have got the tendency, इसको ferredoxin भी बोलते हो, and these by the way iron pigments have got this tendency to bind through the oxygen which is present in the air. तो ये जो आपके particles present हैं ये immediately किससे bind करेंगे? जो गैस के अंदर ऑक्सीजन प्रेजेंट है केवल उससे. ये ऑक्सीजन इनके साथ में कंबाइन कर जाएगी एंड जहां जहां पर भी हेमोग्लोबिन आपका जाएगा विच इज एक्चुअली गोइंग ऑल अक्रॉस योर बॉडी एंड दिस पर्टिकुलर ऑक्सीजन विल बी सप्लाइड. Now since you all of guys are made from cells and each cells is going to what? Do cellular respiration and उसी के लिए उन्हें ऑक्सीजन की जरूरत पड़ेगी. बट सेलुलर रेस्पिरेशन का जो बाय प्रोडक्ट होता है दैट इज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बिकॉज हर सेल कुछ गैस छोड़ भी रहा होगा एंड दैट इज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. This carbon dioxide once again is being carried out all through blood. Once again it comes back to where? The alveolus and this would be now diffused into alveoli. So इसका मतलब हुआ क्या? जो एयर आपके नॉस्ट्रिल से गया, नॉस्ट्रिल का फंक्शन आपको मालूम है, नॉस्ट्रिल के बाद में फेरिंग्स, फेरिंग्स के बाद में एडम्स एप्पल और वॉइस बॉक्स और लैरिंग्स, then larynx के बाद में then trachea would be hooked up by those C-shaped cartilages which will give them the support so that trachea should not collapse. Trachea would end up into lungs, two lungs, okay. Now in these two lungs में जो branches होंगे, जो main stem होगा that is known as bronchi. This bronchi will be furthermore subdivided in both of the lungs as bronchioles. These bronchioles are going to end up into a bag, a small bag which is known as alveolar sac or alveolus, right? The oxygen from air is going to get diffused from this alveolar sac or alveolus to the hemoglobin which is going to get this oxygen carried all across the body. But the problem, since every of the cell is going to do the cellular respiration, so that means that those carbon dioxide, the released gas carbon dioxide comes back from the part of the blood which is also known as the impure blood, जो कि कौन carry करता है? Veins. So always remember that veins will carry what? Veins will carry the impure blood while the arteries are going to carry pure blood. और इसी को आप ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड बोलते हो और इसी को आप डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड बोलते हो. Got it? So then this by the way actually happens and then इसका कंटिन्यूसली डिफ्यूजन चलता है. जब कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड वापस आती है एल्वियोलाई पे देन आप इसको दोबारा से ब्रीथ आउट कर देते हो एंड दोबारा से रेस्पिरेशन चालू रहता है आपका लाइक दिस. सो दिस इज अ प्रोसेस. So this is how the transportation, I'm so sorry, this is how the respiration in human beings actually takes place. Then comes the word transportation. So did you understand the word respiration? Though respiration again इतना simple नहीं है जितना यहाँ पर उन्होंने लिख दिया है because there are n number of other things also in the lungs because वो 3 sections के अंदर होता है, tri-lobed and so on and so forth, एक bi-lobed होता है. बट खैर अभी हम उसमें नहीं जा रहे हैं, अभी हम केवल बेसिक पार्ट में जा रहे हैं जो आपकी क्लास 10th में. देन कमिंग ऑन टू द वर्ड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. सो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, क्या अपने बॉडी के अंदर गाड़ियां चल रही हैं? ऑफ कोर्स यस, काइंड ऑफ. नाउ लेट्स सी. सो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ऑफ कोर्स इज यू नो द एक्सचेंज ऑफ मटेरियल फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. इट कैन हैपन इन ह्यूमंस एज वेल एज इट हैपेंस इन प्लांट्स. In humans, what do you transport? You transport oxygen, as I just told you right now. You're going to transport nutrients, the energy. You're also going to transport the hormones. In the plants, what are those two tubes? जैसे humans में तो arteries and veins होता है, तो plants में क्या होता है? That is known as xylem and phloem. P for phloem, P for, that's a wrong track, but phloem stands for food. So what is phloem going to take or transport? It is going to transport food from one particular part to another. Then what does the xylem do? It will carry the water and the minerals and nutrients. Okay. So xylem is going to transport water while phloem is going to transport food in the plants. So we'll keep this topic shorter to over here. Post then this tomorrow. We are going to complete both the transportation in humans as well as in plants. You are also going to study that what is the main transportation organ and that is nothing else but is known as heart. But आज के कुछ keywords. Guys, tell me one thing. Bronchi आपने सुना है. Now आज के बाद में आपके पास में एक नया word आ गया. ब्रोंकाई, ब्रोंकाइटिस। जब भी कभी किसी वर्ड के आगे इटिस या टिस लग जाता है, दैट मीन्स अ डिजीज रिलेटेड टू दैट, राइट? So bronchitis, so what is bronchitis? Bronchitis is nothing else but is related to bronchi, that means lung. Now think about it. What do you think asthma is? A bronchi related activity or bronchi related disease. Now you can understand why I talked about COVID-19. COVID-19 के अंदर what actually happens? It directly affects your lungs because it starts, developing right over there at the bronchi section, and since it's going to spread a bit faster, so lungs की gradually एयर लेने की कैपेसिटी कम होने लगती है। जब एयर लेने की कैपेसिटी कम हो जाती है तो इसका मतलब है फूड प्रॉपर्ली ऑक्सीडाइज नहीं हो पाएगा। जब ऑक्सीजन बाकी सेल को नहीं मिलता है तो लिथार्जी आने लगती है, आप कमजोरी फील करते हो, एंड इफ एक्सट्रीम कंडीशंस में यदि लंग्स यदि चोक या ब्लॉक हो गए तो द एयर वुड नॉट बी गेटिंग सर्कुलेटेड एंड टर्मिनल, समझ जाओ क्या होगा, योर बॉडी इज गोइंग टू बी डेड। ओके, सो दैट्स ऑल फ्रॉम माय साइड टुडे। Remember, guys, the season right now is the rainy season outside. I mean, over here. Please requesting you guys do take a lot of care during this season, because either way, COVID is, already know this, and along with that, fever and cold and cough are pretty normal this particular season. Okay, so take care of yourself, guys, and do take care of your mom and dad as well. Love them a lot, hug them a lot, keep sharing smiles. Chill, love you. Bye. See you.